so you want to export your Jira software data. Relokia is what you need. It's an automated online service that helps you to export your Jira software data. Here's how to export your Jira software data. First, you need to choose Jira Software as your source platform and provide your URL, username, and API token. Configure your Jira software connection by defining the required project. Next, select your target project management platform and fill in the access credentials. Then configure your target connection. Moving forward, you need to specify what data you'd like to import. You can choose separate records or all at once. First, match users' profiles. Right after you click on the box next to Issues, you will see a pop-up where you need to set up the mapping of issue fields. Once that's done, hit the Save button to apply your settings. Then do the same with subtasks. Once the basic setup is done, run your demo migration to check if the data migrates correctly. When you're ready, hit that Final button and get all your data moving. Just like that, you can export such Jira software data as tasks along with comments, attachments, tags, and custom fields, statuses, subtasks, and users. You can export from such project management systems as Monday.com, Smartsheet, and Rike. Ready to export? Click Get It Now and try a free demo.